Chapter 8: Activation Functions. That little nonlinear bend we keep mentioning. It is small, but without it, deep learning would not work at all. Let's see why and meet the usual suspects. Here is the core problem. A linear layer can only stretch and rotate its input. And if you stack two linear layers, the result is still just one linear layer. A line feeding a line is a line. No matter how many you pile up, a purely linear network can only draw straight relationships. To bend, to curve, to learn anything interesting, you need a nonlinearity between the layers. The simplest one is called ReLU. The rule could not be easier. If the number is negative, output 0. If it is positive, keep it as is. That is it, a flat line, then a straight ramp with one sharp bend at 0. That single kink is enough to break linearity, and it is fast to compute. For years, ReLU was the default. But that hard corner has a downside. Neurons that fall negative get exactly 0 and can stop learning. So modern language models prefer a smoother cousin, called GELU. It looks almost like ReLU, but the corner is gently rounded, and it lets a tiny bit of the negative values through. That smoothness helps training. GELU powers models like GPT and BART. There is one more you'll meet, called CLU or Swish. It is the input multiplied by its own sigmoid. Like GELU, it is smooth, and it dips slightly below 0 before rising. Many recent open models, such as the Llama family, use it. The differences between these curves are subtle, but at billions of parameters, subtle details matter. Let's put them side by side. ReLU with its sharp elbow. GELU and CLU, smoothing that elbow into a gentle curve. Notice the shared story. All of them mostly pass large positive values through and mostly suppress negative ones. What each one really adds is that one crucial ingredient, a bend, and a bend is all a network needs to become a universal learner. So, activation functions. Stack linear layers alone and they collapse into one. Slip a nonlinear bend between them, and suddenly the network can model almost anything. ReLU, GELU, CLU, different curves, same essential job. Now our word vector has been fully processed. Time to turn it back into words. Next, Logit's Softmax Temperature.